Hi guys, welcome to Love Intraday channel. Today I am going to share you the trading journal Excel sheet that may be useful to the trader. So I just copied this Excel sheet from one of the YouTube channel called Discipline Traders. So I'm not creating this Excel sheet, but it good Excel sheet. It calculates your review, monthly reviews, everything. So I am amazed with that. So recently I have seen this YouTube channel. It's giving a wonderful information. That's why I downloaded sheet. Then hereafter I will be maintaining from this sheet only because it provides everything. Yes, I will explain you a bit and what trade you are going to take. Market is your stock name, and entry price, and account balance is how much shares you are going to buy, for how many rupees. If you have 20,000 rupees, okay, that's your account balance. If you are going to buy it for sell it for 10,000 rupees, you have to enter 10,000 here. Okay, don't add any leverages like that. Okay, just enter the account balance, and per point is your share, how many shares you are going to buy for 10,000 rupees. If you are buying for 500, then put 500. Okay, stop loss and trade take profit is the exit price, and actual exit price, this also exit price. Okay, same. Okay, so it will automatically calculates the risk to reward 1 is to 2.8, like that it comes. Okay, so trade cost is the brokerage. You have to enter the brokerage based on the how many shares you are buying it, how many rupees you are buying it. Okay, then after that it will automatically calculate the rupees, how much your profit or loss. Okay, here its starting account balance is your trading balance. Okay, what are the trading balance you have, just enter it and it is a profit. Okay, so total account balance it will show you. So this account balance is different, and here this account balance is different. I hope you understand. So if you see here, you can see the total number of trades, winning trades, losing trades, win rate, how much win rate it is there, average losing, average largest losing, largest winning, total profit, return on investment, how much it comes, and each month how much accuracy it gives, how much trades you have done, how much losses is there, how much break even trades you have done, everything it will show you. Okay, so that you can have these things like average per risk per trade, average reward per trade, risk to average risk to reward ratio, how much. So it will show you. Okay, so that you know that where you are trading. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will share it. Just use it and record your trade.